Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. OpenAI just released another new version of GPT-5 and its name is GPT-5 Codex. Here you see that this is the official post. A version of GPT-5 further optimized for agentic coding in Codex. Now you will ask me that whether GPT-5 did not have the capability for generating the coding related things. Yes, of course, here you see that they are also saying the same thing. Unlike GPT-5, which is a general purpose model. So GPT-5 was a general purpose model for the normal chat purpose or normal coding purpose, but that model was not specifically for coding. Here you see that now they are saying we recommend using GPT-5 Codex only for agentic coding tasks. Means if you want to get the best out of GPT-5, then you should definitely go with this GPT-5 Codex. And another interesting thing is that they have reduced the token usage, or you can say that they are now maintaining the token usage dynamically. Here you see more interesting part of the codex improvement block is explaining how the model uses reasoning effort more dynamically to not waste tokens and solve harder problems. So if you see this graph, here you see that they have compared this GPT-5 with the GPT-5 codex, and this is the model generated token per response. So this graph actually explaining that if the problem is harder, more complex, then they are thinking more deeply, and in that case token usage may be more. But if the problem is easy, not that much hard, then they are not consuming more token. Okay, they are consuming less token. And here you see that how they have reduced the token usage for a similar, for a small problem, simple problem than a GPT-5. Okay. And here you see that GPT-5 Codex adapts how much time it spends thinking more dynamically based on the complexity of the task. The model combines two essential skills for a coding agent, pairing with developers in an interactive session and persistent, independent execution on longer tasks. So this means Codex will feel snappier on a small, well-defined request or while you are chatting with it. Okay, so during testing, they have seen that GPT-5 Codex work independently for more than 7 hours at a time on a large complex task, iterating on its implementation. Okay, and also it will fix the test failures and ultimately delivering a successful implementation. Means it will automatically test the application, and if they find that the test case is not working, then it will automatically fix that part also. This is actually amazing. And also they have introduced another feature which is the code review. Here you see that whatever the projects that you have added in your codex platform, that in that projects you can turn on this code review, and when you will turn on that you can actually use this in your GitHub. Okay, see that you have to just write @codex review, and after that it will just review that pull request, and also it will analysis that, and it will suggest you that whatever the improvements required. Here you see that you have to just write in this way @codex review in a peer, and give it the extra guidance like @codex review for security vulnerabilities, or @codex review for outdated dependencies. Means someone have raised a pull request and you want to review uh, the dependencies that that person have used, that is outdated or not, and also if there is a security vulnerability, that things also you can check with this @codex review option. Okay, now another thing is that see that SW bench verified on this benchmark, this GPT-5 Codex is giving the high performance, and also on this code refactoring task, it has performed the high performance and accuracy than this GPT-5 normal model. And also they have tested it on the high mode. You know that they have that low, high and medium. So on this high mode, they have found that GPT-5 Codex is giving the high accuracy on this code refactoring related task. And basically, you know that whenever you will work on any project, this code refactoring is the main things that you will find most difficult. You know that interesting thing is that anyone can write the code, okay? But the thing is that if that code is industry standard, if that code is maintaining the security, and if the code is more dynamic, so that things you can fix with this code refactoring. And if the model is based at code refactoring, that then that model is very much helpful, right? And if you want to use this model, then here you see that you can go with this Cursor or VS Code or Windsurf, and also they have the platform, that web platform also. Okay. And what you have to do, just to go to your extension marketplace and there install this Codex, this extension, and after that here you can enable this codex here, and here you will find this kind of option after releasing this GPT-5 codex, that try GPT-5 codex now and continue using GPT-5. So as we are interested for coding, so just select this try GPT-5 codex now. Now after that, here you see that local and cloud, they have both the option, and this agent mode and agent full access also. And GPT-5 codex, here you see that same as the GPT-5, they have this GPT-5 codex low, medium, and high. And obviously, if you are interested for these coding related things, then if you don't if you are not solving that much of complex task, then you can use this medium. Okay, so if you use this GPT-5 codex medium version, then you will get the best advantage. And also I have found that the blog that they have published, over the blog, they have talked about more on the medium version. So that means that GPT-5 medium is actually helpful for solving the task. And otherwise, if you are solving some minimal or simple task, then you can definitely use this low version of this GPT-5 codex. And for complex tasks, very, very complex tasks, obviously GPT-5 high is good. Okay. And I will not test this model in this video because there is nothing to test, as I have already shown you that uh, this model is specifically based for the agentic coding, means solving the complex problems. So you cannot test this model for generating a simple landing page, or you can say that simple design of the landing page. No, this by doing that you cannot actually evaluate this model. Okay, so this model actually based for code review and code refactoring. So please try it on a existing code base. And also one of the interesting thing that I want to show you, here you see that they have given this example in their blog, that they have tried this codex in this repository go GT. And in that repository, what they have done, that this was the things that they have done with this codex. Okay, move almost all functions parameter and db.engine to context.context. And here you see that these are the changes that they have done with this codex. Okay, this much of changes in this GitHub repository. They have given this example in their blog. Let me show you where I have found that things. Here you see code refactoring task. Our code refactoring evaluation contains refactoring style task from large established repositories, include tasks in Python, Go, even OCaml. I don't know what is this language. Example task is the following pull request from a Git, um, which changes to 32 files and 3541 lines to thread a CTX variable through the applications. Means there is CTX variable, and wherever this CTX variable is getting affected, so they have fixed that code refactoring things. So this is the things. Okay, it is not about the generating landing page or something like design. Okay, it is more about the uh, more about coding, agentic coding, or let's say you can do the code review, code refactoring in maintaining the industry standard. I hope you got the point. Okay, or you can say that solving the complex problem. It is not about the design. Okay, so please try it on your own and let me know the experience that you are getting. And if you're visiting this channel for the first time, guys, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Yesterday, I published a video on this Google New World Gamma, this repository. They have published this model to make a chatbot, or you can say that you can use this model to build a privacy chatbot or privacy related things. You can maintain the full privacy. Okay. So please watch that video also, and there are more videos that I have published and more videos are coming. So please make sure to subscribe this channel to get the latest notification. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.